All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach this lens, which I do believe is a 24 to 105 millimeter Canon, to the body of this Canon EOS R. Now, you're going to notice that this has a little protector on it. So we're going to turn it to the left to release it. Bam, now we're ready to go. Then I'm going to come onto the camera here, and I'm going to release this. And this covers the interior of it. You don't want to have this open too long. If you look on here, you're going to see there's a little red dot, and there's a red dot there. So you want to kind of match them up like that. And then you're going to twist it. Just like that. And bam, Bob is now your uncle. Your lens has been attached to your camera. This is your lens cover. Just pull it off. And now you can go out and shoot some photos. Let's put it back on so we don't scratch it. Hang on to this and this, because you'll need these, later when you take your lens off and you want to cover your camera. All right, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to use this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this mirrorless camera. Peace out.